Okay guys, this is May 2008, paper 1, time zone 1, question 1. It's first question 1a, it says to calculate exactly, and this is a calculator problem. I'm just going to enter everything on the calculator and then transfer the answer to the screen. It's a fraction, so we're doing alpha y1 for the fraction, and we're putting exactly as you see it on the screen, 3 times 2.1, close the parentheses, raise it to the power of 3 over 7 times 1.2. Enter, and we see the answer, 29.7675, okay? So I'm just going to take this answer and enter it exactly as it's on the calculator. So 29.7675. Now we continue with question B. Write the answer to part A correct to two significant figures. So for B, I'm going to use the answer to part A, which is 29.7675, and I'm going to round. Since it says two significant figures, these are my two figures. I see a 7 here, and the 7, since the 7 is greater than 5, it's going to affect the number before it, the 9. So it's going to make them, I'm going to go to a higher number, which is 30. That's a higher number, two significant figures, 30, two significant figures. Easy. Some may confuse that 30 might be only one significant figure. Yes, but in this scenario, if you round the number 29.7675, it can only be rounded to 32 significant figures. C. Calculate the percentage error when the answer to part A again, so be careful, we're talking about part A again, is written correct to two significant figures. So, we're going to use two significant figures is what we found in part B, and part A is the exact answer. I copied the percentage error formula for the formula booklet. So in this situation, error is absolute value. The VA is the approximation, which is 30 in this case, approximate value, minus the exact value, which is the answer of part A. 29.7675 over, again the same thing, 29.7675 times 100%. That's what I see on my formula. And I'm going to use my calculator again to get my value. And I am going to use the answers that I got before on my calculator to save time. Again, I have a fraction, so alpha y1 30. I'm not going to write anything about the absolute value because I know that the percentage error is always positive. So even if I find a negative value, I'm going to write its positive value minus the answer I found before. So second answer to save time and not make a typing mistake over second answer again times 100, and the answer that I get is the one I'm going to write, 0.781 053 162, and I'm not going to forget the percentage symbol, and I'm going to transfer this so the examiner can give me the marks. 781 053 162%. And now for the last part, for part D, it says write your answer to part C this time. I read carefully. In the form A times 10 to the power of K, where A is a number between 1 and 10, 1 included, and it is an integer. So clearly here, because I see 0.78, is a number less than 1, so I have to move the decimal point 1 place to the right to make it bigger than 1. So my answer is 7.81. I'm not going to write everything, even I could. I'm just going to round in 3 significant figures times 10 to the negative 1. Since I moved 1 place to the right, my decimal point, I have to correct it by taking a 0 to the left, so making it 10 to the minus 1, and I don't forget my percentage. And yes, I'm checking 7.8 is between 1 and 10, and everything is great. The last thing I'm going to double check, I'm going to see my answers, okay? 29.7675, they accept only the exact answer. For B is 30, but you get a follow through if you round it using the wrong answer from part A. For C, you get 1 method point, so that's very important for correct formula with correct substitution. The formula is on the formula booklet, substitute correctly and you get the 1 mark. And then 0.781% in 3 significant figures. They accept it actually even 2 significant figures here. If the formula was seen with the 29.7677, but that's a special case. And then there was follow through here also if you made a mistake before. And for D, you get either the answer we got with the percentage symbol or with 2 more zeros to the left, so 10 to the minus 3 with no percentage sign. And a lot of follow through points here. Okay.